Imagine stepping into a world where the freedom of the open road meets the elegance of a luxury residence. Modern luxury motorhomes are no longer simple vehicles for travel. They are carefully engineered spaces where advanced technology, handcrafted interiors, and powerful performance come together. Designed for those who seek comfort without boundaries, these extraordinary machines offer everything from smart living systems and premium materials to unmatched independence on long journeys. Behind every detail is a story of innovation and craftsmanship, showing how far mobile living has evolved. These are the luxury motorhomes that redefine what it means to travel in complete comfort and style. Long before the engine comes to life, the 2027 Tiffin Zephyr reveals its purpose through meticulous craftsmanship and thoughtful engineering. As the flagship luxury diesel motorhome in Tiffin's lineup, it blends residential comfort with long-distance capability in a way few coaches can. Built on Tiffin's exclusive Powerglide SL raised rail chassis, the Zephyr is powered by a 605 horsepower Cummins X15 diesel engine paired with an Allison 4000 mH 6-speed transmission, delivering confident performance with a refined driving experience. Inside, premium hardwood cabinetry, porcelain tile flooring, ambient LED lighting, and spacious slide-outs create an atmosphere that feels more like a luxury residence than a traditional RV point. A spa-inspired master bathroom and bath-and-a-half floor plans further enhance everyday comfort. Practicality remains equally important, with approximately 237 cubic feet of basement storage, a 175-gallon fuel tank, a 12.5 kilowatt own-and-quiet diesel generator, and a 20,000 pound towing capacity, making the Zephyr ready for extended adventures without compromising luxury. 2027, Tiffin Zephyr stands at the top of Tiffin Motorhome's lineup, combining advanced engineering with the comfort of a high-end residence on wheels. Built on the exclusive Powerglide SL raised rail chassis, this 45-foot luxury diesel motorhome is powered by a 605 horsepower Cummins X15 turbo diesel engine, paired with an Allison 4000 mH 6-speed automatic transmission. Together, they provide smooth highway performance and a towing capacity of up to 20,000 pounds. Inside, handcrafted hardwood cabinetry, polished porcelain tile flooring, premium furnishings, and ambient LED lighting create an elegant living environment, while expansive slide-outs maximize interior space. 2 floor plans are available, both featuring a bath-and-a-half layout, with the 45PZ offering a spacious walk-in wardrobe for extended travel. Tiffin's PowerDrive steering assist system enhances stability and reduces driver fatigue, while approximately 237 cubic feet of basement storage and a 12.5 kilowatt own-and-quiet diesel generator support long-distance journeys with exceptional practicality and comfort. BRABUS Big Boy 1200 reimagines what a luxury motorhome can become, blending automotive performance with the sophistication of a premium residence. Developed as the first BRABUS masterpiece motorhome in partnership with STX Motorhomes, this 12-meter coach expands into more than 30 square meters of living space through 4 electrically operated slide-outs, while a hydraulic leveling system ensures stability on uneven ground. Its signature all-black exterior, highlighted by carbon fiber accents, illuminated BRABUS badging, and distinctive LED lighting, reflects the brand's unmistakable design language. Power comes from a 12.8-litre 6-cylinder turbo diesel engine, producing 530 horsepower and 2,600 Newton-meter of torque, supported by advanced driver assistance systems, a 360-degree camera, and rear axle steering for improved maneuverability. Inside, handcrafted leather, carbon fiber trim, underfloor heating, premium kitchen appliances, a spa-inspired bathroom, dual 43-inch 4K smart TVs, Starlink connectivity, solar panels, and lithium batteries combine to create a self-contained luxury living experience built for extended travel. Marathon Coach 1423 reflects decades of craftsmanship, combining custom engineering with the luxury expected from one of the world's most respected motor coach builders. Built on the renowned Prevost H345 platform, this handcrafted coach is designed to provide the comfort of a high-end residence while maintaining the durability required for long-distance travel. Every Marathon coach is individually customized, allowing owners to tailor the layout, materials, and technology to their personal preferences. Inside, rich hardwood cabinetry, premium stone surfaces, handcrafted furnishings, heated porcelain flooring, and elegant lighting create a refined living environment. expansive slide-outs maximize interior space, while integrated smart home technology allows effortless control of lighting, climate, entertainment, and onboard systems. Beneath the luxurious interior, the proven Prevost chassis delivers exceptional ride quality, complemented by Marathon's TechLink electrical management system and patented Freedom Plus sewer system for simplified operation. With advanced engineering, generous storage, and meticulous attention to detail, Coach 1423 represents the pinnacle of custom luxury motorhome design. Dembell Silhouette brings together luxury motorhome engineering and the refined styling of a modern superyacht. Designed in collaboration with the renowned Italian design house Pininfarina, its sculpted exterior features flowing lines, seamless aluminum body panels, hidden hardware, and a distinctive red accent that creates a sleek appearance even when parked. Built on the Mercedes-Benz Actros Gigaspace 3-axle chassis, the Silhouette is powered by a 530 horsepower 12.8-litre inline-six turbo diesel engine. Hydraulic slide-outs expand the interior to approximately 30 square meters, creating a spacious living environment finished with premium leather, natural wood, marble, crystal accents, and handcrafted furniture. Beneath the elegant design, an advanced 8-kilowatt smart electrical system combines lithium batteries, roof-mounted solar panels, an onboard generator, and external power connections. A 1,000-litre freshwater tank with UV purification, underfloor heating, multi-zone climate control, insulated utility systems, and configurable storage for motorcycles or compact cars support comfortable long-distance travel without compromise. Maverick Viñales MV12 is a custom-built double-decker motorhome created by Spain's Rioja Singular Vehicles to serve as a private residence for MotoGP rider Maverick Viñales during race weekends. Designed as a mobile hospitality suite rather than a conventional RV, it provides a quiet and comfortable space that travels from one racing circuit to the next. Once parked, a sophisticated hydraulic system raises the roof, while multiple slide-out sections expand the interior into a spacious two-story living environment. The upper level features a master suite with a full-size bed, wardrobe, workspace, television, and private bathroom, while the lower floor includes an elegant lounge, a fully equipped kitchen, additional sleeping accommodations, and premium furnishings. Every MV12 is handcrafted to meet the owner's exact preferences, with personalized finishes, integrated lighting, advanced climate control, and carefully selected materials. The result is a mobile living space designed to deliver comfort, privacy, and functionality throughout an international racing season. Adria Coral XL is designed to maximize space and practicality, offering a motorhome that comfortably accommodates families and larger travel groups without sacrificing everyday drivability. Built on the reliable Fiat Ducato platform, it is available in multiple layouts ranging from approximately 6.9 to 7.4 meters in length, with sleeping space for up to 7 people. Its distinctive overcab design, panoramic front window, and Adria's durable complex body construction combine modern styling with long-lasting strength. Inside, the open-plan interior features contemporary furnishings, a spacious dinette, flexible sleeping arrangements, generous storage, and a fully equipped kitchen alongside a modern washroom. Thoughtful additions, including a digital control panel, integrated sound system, wide entrance door with built-in storage, and LED lighting, enhance daily living. Available with efficient Fiat diesel engines producing up to 180 horsepower and an 8-speed automatic transmission, the Coral XL balances performance, comfort, and functionality for extended journeys throughout every season. Concorde Cruiser 950 LSA is designed for long-distance travel, combining commercial-grade engineering with the comfort of a premium motorhome. Built on the Mercedes-Benz Atego 1230L chassis, it measures just over 9.6 meters in length and is powered by a 7.7-litre 6-cylinder turbo diesel engine producing 299 horsepower and 1,200 Nm of torque. This robust foundation provides confident performance while supporting the demands of extended touring. Inside, handcrafted ebano silver cabinetry, premium upholstery, a spacious lounge, and a fully equipped kitchen create a refined residential atmosphere. The intelligently planned layout features twin longitudinal rear beds, a large overcab sleeping area, and a spacious bathroom with a separate shower, complemented by generous storage throughout. Advanced Mercedes-Benz driver assistance technologies including active brake assist, lane keeping assistance, and fatigue monitoring enhance safety, while the Alder hydronic heating system, large water tanks, heated rear garage, optional solar power, and inverter system provide the capability for comfortable travel far from traditional campsites. Prevost Loki Coach Gen 2 represents a modern approach to luxury motorhome design, combining the proven Prevost H345 VIP chassis with advanced residential technology and handcrafted construction. Built to order by Canadian luxury converter Loki Coach, every model can be personalized with custom floor plans, interior materials, and integrated technology. At the heart of the Gen 2 is a sophisticated 48-volt energy system featuring a 48 kilowatt-hour lithium battery bank, a two 540-watt solar array, dual high-output alternators, and twin 10-kilowatt Victron inverters. This advanced electrical architecture allows the coach to power residential appliances and onboard systems for extended periods with minimal reliance on a generator. Garmin-based digital controls provide intuitive management of lighting, power, climate, and security systems. Inside, a minimalist design, handcrafted cabinetry, heated floors, panoramic living spaces, and carefully integrated lighting create a refined atmosphere, while advanced insulation and the renowned Prevost chassis ensure exceptional comfort and performance throughout every journey. EarthRoamer LTx is designed for those who seek adventure beyond traditional roads, combining extreme off-road capability with the comfort of a luxury residence. Handcrafted in Colorado, this expedition vehicle is built on a Ford F550 Platinum 4-wheel drive chassis and powered by a 6.7-litre Powerstroke turbo diesel V8 paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Its 43-inch military-grade tires, advanced suspension system, remote reservoir shocks, and heavy-duty recovery equipment allow it to explore challenging environments with confidence. Beneath its rugged exterior, the carbon fiber monocoque body creates a strong, lightweight, and highly insulated living space. Inside, the cabin features premium cabinetry, a full kitchen with InvisiCook induction technology, a wet bath, California King sleeping area, and advanced touchscreen controls. Designed for true independence, the LTx uses an 18 kilowatt-hour lithium battery system, rooftop solar array, large water capacity, Starlink connectivity, and nearly 1,000 miles of driving range, transforming remote locations into comfortable destinations. Niesmann+Bischoff, iSmove, challenges the idea that luxury motorhomes need massive dimensions to deliver exceptional comfort. Designed around the concept of intelligent space, this compact integrated motorhome creates the feeling of a much larger vehicle through innovative layouts, hidden storage, and carefully planned living areas. Measuring around 7 meters in length, the iSmove combines premium design with accessibility in many 3.5-ton configurations. Inside, advanced features transform the cabin, including a rotating rear bench that changes into a lounge area, an ultra-slim electric drop-down bed, an expandable kitchen with a pull-out work surface, and a flexible bathroom design with a sliding shower system. Practical technology supports extended travel with a 200-litre freshwater tank, lithium habitation battery, optional solar charging, fixed gas system, and spacious rear garage. Through German engineering and creative design, the iSmove demonstrates how thoughtful innovation can create a luxurious travel experience within a compact footprint. MORELO Grand Empire represents the highest level of luxury motorhome engineering, created for travelers who demand exceptional space, comfort, and independence. Built on the heavy-duty Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis, this flagship coach is available in configurations reaching up to 26 tons and powered by a 530 horsepower 12.8-litre turbo diesel engine. Advanced features such as air suspension, mirror cam technology, and automated transmission provide refined control despite its impressive size. Inside, the Grand Empire transforms into a luxury penthouse on wheels, with handcrafted cabinetry, premium furnishings, residential-style appliances, and a spacious slide-out that expands the living area. MORELO's Connect system integrates lighting, climate, entertainment, and onboard functions through smart controls. Beyond luxury, the coach offers remarkable capability with large storage areas, optional garage space for vehicles like a Porsche 911 or Mercedes-Benz SLK, solar power systems, advanced insulation, and extensive utility capacity. The Grand Empire combines technology, craftsmanship, and freedom into one extraordinary mobile residence designed for limitless journeys. The 2026 Newmar Grand Star introduces a new direction for luxury travel, combining the strength of a superclass C platform with the craftsmanship expected from Newmar. Built on the Freightliner S2 RV chassis, it uses a 6.7-litre Cummins turbo diesel engine producing 360 horsepower and 800 lb-ft of torque, while offering 3 floor plans between approximately 34 and 39 feet. Designed for both capability and comfort, it features a full paint masterpiece finish, spacious slide-outs, and a 12,000-pound towing capacity. Inside, premium maple cabinetry, porcelain tile flooring, and residential furnishings create an elegant living environment. The first ever Newmar overcab bunk with skylight adds family-friendly versatility, while features such as an 18 cubic foot refrigerator, induction cooking option, king-size bed, smart controls, and advanced leveling systems enhance daily travel. With available lithium power, hydronic heating, and all-electric options, the Grand Star represents a new era of refined adventure. STX 777 represents a new level of luxury travel, combining heavy-duty engineering with the comfort of a high-end residence on wheels. Developed by Belgium's STX Group, this custom motorhome is designed for travelers who need exceptional space, capability, and personalization. Built on a robust truck platform, the 777 can be tailored with unique layouts, materials, and advanced technology to match individual lifestyles. Inside, expanding slide-outs create a spacious living environment featuring premium leather seating, a complete kitchen with modern appliances, a king-size bedroom, smart televisions, and a refined bathroom with a rain shower and heated towel rail. Garmin touchscreen controls simplify management of lighting, climate, and onboard systems. Beneath the luxury, powerful Mercedes-Benz Actros or Scania chassis options, advanced heating systems, lithium batteries, solar upgrades, and intelligent energy solutions provide reliable long-distance capability. The STX 777 combines craftsmanship, innovation, and freedom into one remarkable mobile residence. Dembell Motorhome redefines luxury travel by transforming the traditional motorhome concept into a true land yacht. Built on the Mercedes-Benz Actros Gigaspace 3-axle chassis, it combines super yacht-inspired design with advanced engineering and long-distance capability. Powered by a 530 horsepower 12.8-litre inline-6 turbo diesel engine, each model offers carefully designed layouts including Serenity, Prime, and Elite configurations. Inside, hydraulic slide-outs expand the living area to approximately 30 square meters, revealing an elegant interior finished with premium leather, natural wood, marble, crystal details, and high-end appliances. Smart home controls manage lighting, climate, blinds, and onboard systems through intuitive interfaces. Designed for extended journeys, the Dembell features a sophisticated energy system with lithium batteries, solar panels, inverter technology, and generator support. A 1,000-litre freshwater tank, advanced heating systems, and configurable garage options complete this extraordinary mobile residence, where craftsmanship, independence, and luxury travel come together without compromise.